Words or witness. See, have you ever noticed how easy it is to say the right spiritual words? In Joshua 24, Joshua stands before Israel and says, "Choose you this day whom you will serve." And the people responded instantly, "We will serve the Lord." That sounds perfect, faithful, confident. But Joshua does something unexpected. He says, "You cannot serve the Lord, for he is a holy and jealous God." Why would a leader push back on such a strong declaration? Because Joshua knew something we often forget. Saying yes is easy. Living yes is costly. Israel had a history of emotional promises and inconsistent obedience. Joshua wasn't rejecting their faith. He was challenging their depths. He wanted them to understand that serving God isn't a slogan, it's a surrender. God isn't looking for quick responses. He's looking for committed hearts. Joshua was basically saying, don't promise what you are not prepared to practice, because God is holy, because God is jealous, not insecure, but unwilling to share your heart with idols. And here's the powerful moment. When Joshua warns them, Israel doesn't back away. They respond again, this time with more deliberately. No, we will serve the Lord. Not emotional, intentional. That's the difference between religion and relationship. Today, we still say the words, I follow Jesus, I serve God. But Joshua's question still echoes, have you counted the cost? Because faith isn't proven by what we say on good days. It's revealed by who we choose when obedience is hard. So the challenge is simple. Don't just say you'll serve the Lord. Choose him daily, fully, and without rival. Because God doesn't want our words. He wants our hearts.